How to set up PayPal security. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily manage it. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the right top, you can see a profile icon. Simply tap on the profile icon. So basically, we in this settings section here, you'll be able to find different options and you can easily customize it. Here, there's a section called Login and Security. Simply tap on Login and Security. So this is the place where you can have different security layers. Here on the top, there's an option called passkey, and here on the bottom, you'll be able to find different fingerprint scan and other login sessions. So it's up to you how you want to customize and make it more secure. So you can simply tap on them and enable them. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.